In this class we will learn how to create properties with custom properties, which will facilitate the insertion of routine information into our projects. Properties are very important because they contain the information that is linked between part, assembly, and detail files. Let's go to class. The creation of properties can only be done with an open part or assembly file. To start creating properties, we open a new part file. We can access the properties in the File, Properties menu and also in the Task pane, the Custom Properties tab. To create the desired properties for this file, simply click Create Now. See that the Property tab Builder window opens. To add the information, we drag the desired items to the Custom Properties Center panel. We start by writing SolidWorks 2018 in the message box on the right side of the window. Note that the phrase is shown in the center panel. In Type we keep Part. Clicking on the group box, we have your options displayed in the right pane. In Control Attributes, in the Caption field we change the name to BOM Information, which is the Bill of Materials. Now we drag text box into the BOM info box, and we have the text properties displayed in the right pane. We change the caption name, under Caption, to Description. In Name we write Description and in Type we keep Text. In Value we find all the possible settings for the properties, but we do not make any selection at this time. We have confirmed this step by activating the Show on Custom tab option by clicking on the icon shown. We drag the List option to be below the description inside the BOM info box and change Caption to Material. In Name we write Material, in Type we leave the type list and in Values we enter the following materials: steel, aluminum, copper, and zinc. We click on the button shown. We save the properties created in the same location where SolidWorks default settings are located and close the Properties tab. To find out where the default settings are saved, go to the Tools, Options, File Locations, Custom Property Files menu. To view the properties created, simply click on the Task pane and press the F5 key. We open the shown part and click on the Custom Properties tab. We select the created template and we have the description and material. Saving the file, this information is inserted into the properties of the part, as we check by accessing the File, Properties menu. We saw in this class how to use the SolidWorks Property Insertion System, a feature that facilitates the creation of properties used in projects.